Run, we run the dam. Whole world playing out the sound. Turn it up, it's going down. You're my soda pop. All I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop. My soda pop. Gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. Oh, up in our voice. Won't get so often. Gonna be golden. What it sounds like. Why did I cover color stuck inside our head? I should let the jagged edges meet the light instead. I'ma be your idol, keeping you obsessed, keeping you in check, keeping you in the play, I'ma be. I'ma be your idol, keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Baby, I'ma pee in the sea in your head. Play another verse, play another verse. I can be a sanctuary. No, I'm the only one. Study like gravity, Catcha, you put down on your knees, pick me up, pick me down. Okay. Yeah. How takedown, da. I'm just girls in the world. Takedown. So see how you're in my eyes, but hideous on your side. Sunlight on my chicken high, baby, not sure. I'm about to switch up these vibes, finally open my eyes. No time to kick you straight back into the night, cause I see your real face and it's ugly as sin. Time to put you in a place, cause you are innocent. When you put in such a show, it makes you hit you wanna go out of my vein. I don't think we're ready for the takedown. Pick you in the pieces of the world plan, cause you're all the same, yeah, it's a takedown. I do want to feel you don't deserve to live. It's so obvious. I'ma get you up and take you down. It's a takedown. Down. It's a takedown. I'ma take you out, you'll break down like what? It's a takedown. I'ma take you out, you'll break down. Stop.